Hey, I'm Will Coleman and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making chickpea meatballs with a romesco tomato sauce. I love meatballs, so this is going to be quite perfect. I love this recipe because these meatballs are fluffy on the inside with a crispy exterior and they go perfect with our tomato romesco sauce. It really doesn't get better than this. If this recipe sounds like something that you want to try, subscribe to our channel to see future recipe videos. For our meatball components, we're going to need some chickpeas, of course, because they're chickpea meatballs, some almond meal, chopped parsley, nutritional yeast, which I love, and of course, some eggs to bind it all together. Though, if you want to keep this recipe vegan, I would recommend swapping out eggs and adding in some flax seeds. All right, let's make our meatballs. I'm adding my chickpeas into my blender, almond meal, nutritional yeast. So I've cracked 2 of my eggs into a separate bowl to avoid any eggshells from going into our meatballs. And I also have some parsley that I'm going to break up just to help the blender out a little bit. And for a final touch, some salt. Now that I've blended my meatball mixture up together until it's smooth, I'm going to take the top off and get some oil on my hands, rub them together, and this is going to help me make the meatball mixture in my hands without anything sticking together. So grab some of that mixture out with a spoon, place it into your hands, and let's form meatball shapes. About 2 tablespoons of mixture for each ball. This is a very delicate mix, so be careful while forming the balls, but they definitely hold up their shape. If you're vegetarian or just need a break from meat, this is a really good substitution for meatballs. There you have it, our balls have been shaped. I want to wash my hands and I'll be right back. We're gonna add some oil to our pan. Once our oil begins to shimmer, go ahead and add your meatballs. We're gonna cook these for about 6 to 8 minutes, turning them on all sides to ensure even brownness. My meatballs look amazing. I went ahead and tossed them in my romesco sauce, and I'm gonna add my parsley on top for some color because we're doing a fancy presentation, y'all. And there you have it, our chickpea meatballs with romesco tomato sauce. If you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to cook happy.